Welcome back to Mixy Videos by Sam. Transform your home into a cozy heaven with these delightful shabby chic decorating ideas. Embrace vintage charm and romantic elegance as we explore simple yet stunning ways to beautify your living space. From distressed furniture to floral accents, discover how to infuse warmth and personality into every corner of your home. Whether you are a dye enthusiast or simply seeking inspiration, these ideas will help you create a timeless and inviting atmosphere that reflects your unique style. So get ready to embark on a journey of creativity and transform your home into a sanctuary of shabby chic beauty. Transforming your home into a cozy heaven filled with the charm of yesteryears is an art form, and shabby chic decorating is the perfect medium to achieve this timeless aesthetic. From distressed furniture to delicate floral patterns, shabby chic style evokes a sense of romance, nostalgia, and comfort. In this guide, we will explore gorgeous shabby chic decorating ideas that will elevate your space and transport you to a world of vintage elegance. Start by incorporating distressed furniture pieces into your home, whether it's a weathered wooden dresser, a chipped paint, coffee table, or a vintage vanity with patina. These pieces add character and charm to any room. Embrace soft pastel hues like pale pink, baby blue, mint green, and creamy white to create a soothing and inviting atmosphere. These gentle colors evoke a sense of serenity and lend a romantic touch to your space. Introduce floral prints through upholstery curtains, bedding, and decorative accents to infuse your home with a touch of natural beauty. Roses, peonies, and hydrangeas are popular choices for shabby chic decor and add a whimsical flair to any room. Incorporate vintage linen such as lace tablecloths, embroidered pillowcases, and crochet throws to add texture and charm to your decor. Embrace the beauty of mismatched decor by combining different furniture styles, finishes, and patterns. Mix and match antique finds with flea market treasures to create a curated and eclectic look that is uniquely yours. Add depth and elegance to your space with distressed mirrors adorned with ornate frames. These reflective surfaces not only brighten a room but also add a touch of vintage glamour to your decor. Scatter vintage accessories throughout your home to enhance its shabby chic appeal. Think crystal, chandeliers, mercury glass vases, antique candlesticks, and porcelain figurines that add a touch of old world elegance to your. Create a backdrop of whitewashed walls to complement your shabby chic decor. Get creative with chalk paint dye projects to give new life to old furniture pieces. Whether you are painting a vintage dresser, a wooden chair, or picture frame, chalk paint adds a distressed finishes that is shabby chic. Finally, no shabby chic space is complete without fresh flowers. Place bouquets of roses, hydrangeas, or peonies in vintage vases and pitchers to bring a touch of nature indoors and add a pop color decor. So incorporating these gorgeous shabby chic decorating ideas into your home will not only elevate its aesthetic appeal but also create a warm and inviting environment that you will love to come home to. So embrace the beauty of vintage charm and let your creativity shine as you transform your space into sanctuary of shabby chic elegance. That's all. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time for more inspiration videos. Till then, happy decorating.